What's up, guys? I am back. Sorry for the break. I had a busy summer, including an awesome trip to Disneyland and Universal Studios Hollywood. I want to try something new and tell you about an amazing thing that happened to me last Halloween. An organization called Magic Wheelchair and my high school engineering department got together to make me an incredible Halloween costume. About a year before, they asked me a few questions about what I liked. I told them I liked the farming simulator video game. Then everything else was a big surprise until the big reveal. We met at our high school engineering classroom.
I'm Cory Hunt, and that's my wife Beth, and my buddy Troy, and my friend Stephanie. We work with an organization called Magic Wheelchair. I got involved in Magic Wheelchair when I met the founder of it. His name's Ryan, and his kid was rolling around a haunted house convention. Yeah, there's haunted house conventions. They're pretty cool. But he was rolling around in this large dinosaur-looking costume, about 10 feet long. And when I first saw it, I'm like, I want to ride like that. And then he goes, yeah, I work for this organization called Magic Wheelchair. And I went, wheelchair? There's a wheelchair under that? And I immediately recognized the power of it. It's transformative because it lets you see the kid and the costume before you see the wheelchair, which is amazing. More importantly, it's a charitable organization that doesn't cost the family anything for what we do. We fundraise everything, we crowdsource everything. I know a lot of you are already aware of this, but I just want to be able to say how proud I am to work with this organization. This is our fourth build. We had the help of the high school students, and hopefully they learned some really cool skills, because if I had access to YouTube and these kind of skill building things, I would be a monster today. I've had to learn a lot of this through my friends, and until YouTube existed, I was kind of just figuring stuff out on my own. So, My Little Pony wheelchair, that's what you wanted, right? Okay. We went with the glitter pink. But I don't want to belabor this too much longer. I don't want to take a lot of your time. I want you to see it. We have some surprises in it. I hope you don't mind. Summer pony oriented. But with no further ado, I would like to present the cooperative John Deere inspired. The wheel spins. Is that right enough? Good. Got your name on there? And we got a hazard thing here. For when you slow down traffic. Like all farmers do. Alright, cool. You want to load them? Hey buddy, look.
My favorite part was all the lights and sounds. The speakers were connected to large buttons on the inside that I could push with my foot. They make horn and engine sounds. I can also play music on the speaker. I really appreciate all the hard work that the engineering department and my teacher put in on my costume.
So we also got you a My Little Pony. Are we looking? I'm good down the gap over here. We're good. Okay.
Oh yeah. And then someone would pick it up and all of them would fly off.
They didn't think it was. I didn't think it was.
You just gotta wait.
Okay, who's driving back here?
Wow, nice ride, Chris.
How's it feel? Does it run like a deer?
got that chair up there.
Yeah, Chris.
I'm spinning the wheel.
I went to the trunk or treat at my church that night. Everyone was amazed by my costume. On Halloween, I wanted to enter the school costume contest at lunch, so my mom and brother brought my costume. Unfortunately, on the way in, one of the caster wheels broke off, so my friends had to carry the tractor. I did win the contest. That was a big W for me, Magic Wheelchair, and the engineering department. This is me with my principal and the engineering teacher that helped put the whole project together. After the contest, we went back to the engineering shop and fixed the wheel so I would be ready for trick-or-treating that night. Trick-or-treating with my family was so fun. People kept stopping and asking to take pictures of my costume. Later, in November, I used the tractor to produce a Fable video for my video production class. My final bit of excitement with the costume this year was entering the lighting of the night parade in my town.
Merry Christmas!
We had so much fun in the parade. Unfortunately, right at the end, the other front caster wheel fell off. We had to wait for a rescue in the rain. The tractor comes apart for easier storage. My parents spent Christmas break finding a home for my tractor in the garage. I am excited to use it again next year. Here are some behind-the-scenes shots of the engineering students and Cory Hunt working on my costume. Awesome job, everyone. I think that Magic Wheelchair is an amazing organization. It meant so much to me that they were willing to put in so much time and effort to help me have a costume that my wheelchair became part of. I loved that people noticed my costume and not my wheelchair. It was awesome. Thank you to everyone who made it possible. I love that they put my YouTube channel on the tractor. Now I have some fun news about my channel. I can't promise a video every month right now because of school, but starting in June, after I graduate, I plan to upload at least once a month. My cousin, who is a very talented artist, is going to design a logo for my YouTube channel. Hopefully my next video will be a reveal for my new logo. I am so excited. I feel like 2023 is going to be awesome.